So many people are still wondering and thinking, I want to learn Python. I want to learn Python. Why can I learn Python? What can I use Python for? You can use Python for a whole lot of things. Today, I'll just quickly want to show you how you're going to use Python to build a simple web scraper. What is a web scraper? Basically, just an automated set of script or application or a program that goes into a website and returns some information for you. Probably you work in the industry where you gather information and you need to gather some leads, or you just need to gather some details about the website, and instead of doing it manually, you want to automate the process. So I'm starting a new series which is called Code with Toyo. And once in a while, I'm going to tell you things you can do with Python and how you can get it done easily, and so you can just have fun while learning the programming language, and so that go just be abstract for you. So let's just go on. Today, what we want to do very simple. Let's have a plan first. Our plan um, is to build a simple web scraper. And when we are building a simple web scraper, and like I say you dey cook soup or you dey do something, you need some ingredient to work. So what ingredient you want to use? Majorly, you want to use libraries, or want to use packages like request and in Python, and there is something we call beautiful soup. So these packages requests come with Python by default. Um, but Beautiful Soup doesn't come. If you want to install Beautiful Soup, all you need to do is you need to pip install um, request, and you need to install Beautiful Soup. But like we say, requests come by default. So you just want to install pip install Beautiful Soup. You go run out for either your terminal, or you go run out for where you execute your code, which be IDE. I don't want to call plenty big things so that you don't get confused. But if I want to install, I'll just do pip package installer for Python install. Then any package I want to install will follow this one. Python will install them for me automatically, but I don't get beautiful soup and everything. So when you get the packages, the next thing you want to do before you use them, you need to import them. You understand? Now just say you need to call them, or just see them as importing, or you're just getting it in. So I'm going to be mixing English and Pidgin so that everybody should just understand. I want to make this video do very, very fast. I don't want to make you reach I'm up to 5 minutes. So let's import requests, and you did from BS4 library wey we install, you dey import beautiful soup. Now just the two key stuff wey we need be that, wey we wan take and import. Then the next thing be say where we wan scrape. Now you go set a new variable wey they dey call URL. If you call am URL, if you call am anything, and let's say it is going to be a string. So if you want to learn most of these things, just contact me. We'll just start talk about programming, but I just want make you follow through. Let's say for now we'll leave am there empty, or most say we just want to scrape something from Google. So more take am like this. Let's say google.com. Now just simple Google landing page we want see. Just scrape some few things. And if you scrape, you go need to make a request and get a response. So we'll set a new variable, we'll call our response, make the response be with a request from URL. Whenever we get a response, it comes back with a couple of information from the site. Then we want to extract the things we need and pass it through HTML parser. So normally we dey call them soup, just like say they cook something. So we'll call them soup. And the soup, from the beautiful soup wey we import above, we wan carry the response the text, and we wan pass this so anything we get here, we wan convert am into text and pass am through HTML parser. So when we fetch am, when we don print the soup finish, most say we just wan get images. Maybe images dey the site and we just wan get images. So we need to get one variable called images, then soup.find all. Of course, this soup variable we will get, it gets find all method. And for people where they used to um, web design already, you go know say img na tag for HTML. So anything you don't find, you need to find for tag. So another thing, if you want to do web scraping, you need to get some knowledge of website, of course. You want to scrape something, you need to know what you want to scrape. So na so it just be. So soup.find all. This alone, if I just say print, if I dey print images, if I dey print images, for example, This image is where the thing find. If I get images, it go return am for me in I think as an array of object or array of dictionary. This one too now another big English. So if you want to learn most of it, just come my inbox. I feel always teach you. So if you want to run the script, when you run script that you say Python, or you go and say py, then the name of your file. My name of my file is scraper.py. So this one now will go through Google. It go scrape that page for me and come back with any image if the image they available. So this is it. You don't return image, an entire image object from me or an entire image element from Google. The alternate text now Google, the height now 92 pixels. You get ID of HP logo, see the image logo and the width and all of these things, the padding for the styling. And so you don't go understand this thing normally, but if you dig into web design, web development, you could definitely understand that. So simple as that. We don't scrape. We'll just say we just want to get a couple of links from Google as well. Let's say scraping links. So as easy as it is, I should just give them new variable links. And links, for example, say you see this soup.find all, it they constant for everything we will do. My comment this so that I know go show later. So links soup.find all links A anchor tags for HTML now for links basically. So if I say soup.find all links as A, and if I just print links, it will return the whole link object for me as an array. It will return the whole link object for me as an array for my front. So I fit take and do anything. Oh, okay. So I think I was running an output instead of running it in terminal. We'll just quickly um, correct them. I press my up button, scrape them up. So it will return an array of links for me at the end of the day, and I feel just show am. So I don't want to make this thing too long. So now array of links be this. Now all the links to the Google be this. Might just do one last thing. Just add a little bit of for loop so that we fit see the links. I will use a normal conventional for loop instead of some special link list comprehension or something for link in links. For every link where you see in that link array, we want do something. We want get the href. So all these big, all these small things where it is href, img, now normal thing where people where they do web design go understand. But if you know they do web design, if you know understand what thing it they talk about. So yes, this is all I have for you tomorrow and today. By tomorrow too, I will just try drop another thing with Python if you do. We'll just dey drop different things so that you go see how Python they work for different domain and the way the reason become data analysts, data scientists, or you just want to build data pipelines, or you just want to do a whole lot of things with Python, you will see say it is efficient for you. So guys, um that's all for today. Take care.